I just look at what each athlete needs. That's a very tough way to coach, but that's the right way to coach, because you're giving each athlete what they need to work on. You're attacking their weak areas. It's strength endurance, muscular endurance, and it's also mental toughness. Nobody could deny the results that we get, and if you want to be a great coach, be great at the training that we spoke about. Deliver powerful results. The athletes love it here because it's not perfect. And when you soften everybody up and everything's perfect and the air conditioning and, oh, don't work too hard, Johnny, that's no good. Nobody's going to get tough from that, okay? It's all right to be imperfect. One thing I'm going to highly recommend you guys have is heavy dumbbells. Gyms that have dumbbells up to 50 pounds, kettlebells up to 53 pounds, you're not going to get people strong that way. There's no such thing as a perfect workout. Every workout is flawed, and that also builds toughness in athletes. What I found is that this gym has developed All-American, All-State, All-American, State Champion, National Champion athletes, Olympic level athletes. We've had athletes that have done a lot of international competition, Pan Am competition, and they train here, side to side with high school athletes, and none of the training had the perfect equipment.